Let's break down what actually happens when you enter the prompt in ChatGPT and hit the enter key. How does ChatGPT go from your question to a full detailed response in just a few seconds? It might feel like magic, but behind the scenes, it's pure math, pattern recognition, and prediction. Here's how it works. First, you type your prompt. It could be a question, a task, a paragraph, or just a few words. That text is broken down into tiny pieces called tokens. A token might be a full word or just part of one. For example, the sky is blue becomes 5 tokens. Every token is assigned a number because underneath it all, ChatGPT doesn't work with words. It works with numbers. Once the input is tokenized, those tokens are passed into the model. Now here's the cool part. The model doesn't look up an answer in a database. It doesn't copy and paste anything. Instead, it predicts one word at a time. It asks itself, given everything I've seen so far, what's the most likely next word? Then it chooses that word, adds it to the sentence, and asks the question again. What's the next word now? And it keeps doing that over and over until the response is complete. This all happens in real time, usually in less than a second. Now, how does it know what to say? ChatGPT was trained on billions of words from books, websites, articles, and code. It learned the patterns of language, not specific facts, but patterns, the way words tend to fit together. So when you ask something, it's not pulling out a stored answer. It's generating something entirely new, based on the patterns it saw during training. That's why you can ask it the same question twice, and sometimes get two slightly different answers. It's predicting each word based on probability, not memorizing or recalling exact phrases. And here's something interesting. It doesn't know what it's about to say. It doesn't have a full paragraph ready. It's building your response one word at a time, just like a musician improvising a solo or a writer typing freestyle. It's creating the answer in real time as it goes. That's also why it sometimes makes mistakes, because it doesn't fact check, it just follows patterns. So, how does ChatGPT answer you? You send in text. It turns that into tokens. It runs those tokens through a neural network. It predicts the most likely next word again and again until the response is finished. That's it. No memory, no search engine, just raw prediction powered by a massive amount of training, and that is how ChatGPT answers you.